Here we are doing motorcycle camping. It was a pretty long, hard ride down here, and the first place I wanted to go to didn't have any spots, so I had to go to this old Civilian Conservation Corps camp, and there was one other person way in the back with his wife or his girlfriend. But the bathrooms are clean, and we made it through the night even though it was freezing. I kind of grossly underestimated the amount of heat loss to the ground, even though my sleeping pad was supposed to eliminate that. But I brought a wool blanket and a butane stove, so we ended up being able to make it. But the only incident I had coming down here is somebody tried to pass way too close. And I don't know how they didn't see me because I wear high-vis neon. About hit me head on. I had to go to the shoulder. You know, I didn't flip him off, but I threw my hands up in the air. Like, what are you doing? He threw his hands up back near me. Like, why are you in that area? And I'm like, but if that's the only incident we had this whole time, we're doing pretty good. Getting a lot of compliments on the bike. And that's about it. So